Where did Mr. Squirrel go? Jewel? Where did Mr. Squirrel go? He ran away? Hmm? He ran up the tree? You can't see him? He went up the tree? No birds didn't come today for food? No, they didn't come? Nobody came? Nobody came for your food, Jewel? Oh my, nobody's coming to eat Jewel's food. She put a lot of food out there for the birds. Nobody's coming. I wonder why. Look how much food they have. And nobody's there. All that food. And Jewel is waiting for her birds to come. And no birdie didn't come yet. Oh my. Ooh, Jewel's getting excited. She's shaking up her body. Shaking up her head and everything. She's so excited. She can't wait for her birds to come. Look, she's climbing up. What you see out there, Jewel? Who's out there? Do you see the birds? You see Mr. Squirrel on the tree? Oh my, Jewel. You're getting impatient. And look at your tail, how it's wagging. Look at you on the table. Your mama, she put a towel so you don't mess up the table? Oh, your mama loves you. She make all kinds of accommodation for you. Your mama loves you, Jewel. Yes? Yes, Jewel? No birds, no nothing? 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 You waiting on the birds? You see something? Who you see out there? Who's out there? Who's out there, Jewel? Who's out there? Who you see out there, Jewel? Oh my. Jewel waiting for the birds to come. And the birds are not coming. She's getting impatient. She wants to pull the curtains down. Okay, rest. Relax. Look at you. Life in London. Living La Vida Loca. Look at you, Jewel. You got life in London. You have life in London. Look at you. Long tail, girl. Look at the tail, how it's going. Oh my, look at my little Jewel getting so big. And look at her watching birds. Sitting by the window all day watching birds. No birds are not coming. No birds. Jewel? Jewel? Where is the bird? Where did the bird go? You hear some birds? You can hear some birds? I can hear some birds. Where are the birds? Why the birds are not coming for my Jewel? My Jewel is showing everything. Look at her. Wagging her tail. She can't wait for the birds.